I'm not lucky enough to own a Porsche vehicle, a classic, but I do own a '64 Impala, and I've had that car for 23 years, and I lovingly keep it on the road, and I've done extensive work to that vehicle. I do enjoy working on older vehicles for sure. Porsche has so many great classic cars, right? So it's it's amazing just to work on this one for now, right? So.
Overall, the vehicle is really nice. Big concern for us was the big hole on the back left corner, but that'll be replaced and painted properly. But no, we were pretty excited to see the vehicle in the condition. Again, the more work that it needs, the more we can showcase what we're capable of. We saw some really cool features that we didn't know were on the vehicle. Some really nice options, audio options, seating options. But we were overall impressed with the body of the car.
The plan for the restoration is to obviously go through the entire vehicle. The exterior of the vehicle will have all of the bodywork completed, looking great, of course. Definitely refresh the audio system. It does have an almost 50-year-old audio or radio in the car, so replacing that with a tech-equipment option that we have called PCCM. So that'll give you navigation and a modern stereo system on the car. We also inspected the suspension and made lists of components that we are going to need to replace and order to prepare for that when the time comes. We did want to keep the vehicle rolling for our body shop to make it easier for them. For the interior, we removed the seats of the vehicle, removed all of the trim panels of the car, removed the carpet, just to expose as much of the vehicle as we can. So removing the engine, we do have all the special tools required to do that. It's not too complicated on the older cars as compared to the newer vehicles, but we were easily able to do that just to give our body shop the opportunity to get back there and do their job in the engine area as far as paint and making it look great again, even under the hood.
We're moving into an age where everything's moving really fast with electric cars and everything else with technology. I think it's important to keep some of the heart and the heritage of all cars that are on the road right now, just to see how far we've come. I think the moment we'll feel successful is when we get the car back, and I think when everybody involved gets to actually drive the car, the sense of pride that they'll feel behind it will be that moment, I think.
Right, once we had the engine and transmission removed from the vehicle, we were able to go over the vehicle one last time and have all of our parts that came off of the car properly labeled and stored during the restoration of the body. But yeah, after that, then we got it loaded up onto the trailer and taken over to our body shop.
All of the rubber parts I would get, wherever there's a rubber part, like around all the windows, around all this, anything that's rubber.